Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. Now, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss another important interview question, that is, what is content for in Rails? Okay, so the content for is a helper method that allow you to define the content in one part of your view and then use it in a different part of your layout. Okay, I mean here you can see, for example, let's discuss about the title attribute of a page. Okay, so here you can see that this is the title of the page, and you can see that AI project MGMT and employee panel. Okay, and this title across displayed across all the pages of this application. For example, you can see that this is the timesheet URL, and we can see the title here like AI project MGMT employee panel. And if you go to the task list, you will again see the same title of the page. And if you go to the assignments, you will again see the same title of the page. And if you go to the dashboard, you will again see the same title of the page. But in most cases, you need to display the different titles across the application for each and individual page. Okay, because every page contains some different information in your application, so the title must be related to that page. And in that case, content for is useful method to provide the dynamic titles of the page. Okay, but how we can use that in the Rails application? Okay, so first we need to provide in the layout file that we are using some default title if the content for title is not present. Okay, for example, let's come here. So here you can see that the title attribute is now that AI project MGMT employee panel, so it will visible across all the pages, which is displayed under the employee layout. Okay, so how we can do that? So we can add a condition here, and the condition is like, let's say the condition is that content for, and then for the title attribute. Okay, if you wish, you can do the same thing for meta tag as well. Okay, but now we are just testing it for title. Okay, so if content for title is present, okay, so here you need to make question mark here. If content for title is present, then you need to display content for title. Otherwise you need to display some default title, so we can use this as default title and just put this within the string. Okay, so now if you provided some dynamic content for the title, it will display that title here. Otherwise it will display this dynamic title. Okay, so now let's go to the browser and refresh the page. So you will still see this employee panel title across all the pages. Okay, but now let's change the content for title for the assignments page. Okay, so what we can do here, that we can just go to this template. Okay, so the template is here, assignment.html. And now what we need to do here, we can simply say content for in the Rails tag, content for title. Okay, and then you need to provide the value here. So here we can say, let's say, and here we can say employee assignments. Okay, and now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh the page, here you will see the title is employee assignment. Okay, and if you go to the dashboard, because we did not set the content for title for this dashboard page, so you will still see the employee panel. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for all the pages. So go to the dashboard index, and here what we can say, employee dashboard. Okay, save it. And now same thing, you can go to the timesheets as well. So here we can add timesheet. Okay, and similarly we can do the same thing for task index as well. So here at the top you can do employee tasks. Okay, and then if you go to the browser and refresh the page, now on the dashboard page you will see the content for title is AI project MGMT and then employee dashboard. Okay, and if you go to the assignment, you will again see the dynamic template, which is employee assignments. Okay, and if you go to the task, you will see the page title like AI project MGMT and employee tasks. Okay, and if you go to the timesheets page, you will see the title like employee timesheets. Okay, so this is how you can provide dynamic title across the pages. Okay, within the specific layout. Okay, so this portion, so this content is useful for providing the dynamic titles or changing the dynamic html parts of your page. For example, if you want to use it for content for, let's say, meta tag, then you can use that as well. Okay, and you can provide dynamic title like that. Okay, so this is important from both point of view, like from the interviews perspective as well, and for the development perspective as well. Okay, so here let me repeat again that what we did first in the layout file, in the respective layout file, for whatever you want to do. So here you can see that this is my layout file, and here I just did this thing. Okay, so what I'm doing here, that first I'm checking that whether the content for title is present or not. If it is present, then I'm providing the dynamic title. Otherwise, I'm displaying some default title. Okay, so this is the good practice, because if you do not provide default title, that is bad thing. Okay, so make sure you are providing some default title if there is no dynamic title on the page. Okay, so I hope you like that lecture. So just follow this. Okay, and keep watching. We will meet into another lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.